Most successful businesses prioritize people, from employees to customers and partners. For a leading sportswear manufacturer and retailer, success is built upon a relentless customer focus. In nearly 100 years, its philosophy hasn't changed, but the way people shop has. Even at the top of its game, e-commerce payment reconciliation was a challenge, until Genpact stepped in. We developed payment practices as agile as the athletes the company serves. From missing documentation to inefficient payment systems, our data strategy assessment identified payment pain points. Using these insights, we developed and implemented a touchless e-commerce reconciliation solution. Today, through the power of digital transformation, we've revitalized the employee and customer experience. We've reduced payment processing time by 30% and increased employee productivity by 70%. By connecting people, process, and technology, the company has a future-proof solution for e-commerce growth.